Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this trend is up. I still think it's going to go up and most likely take out these highs. Looking at the euro dollar for correlation, I still think this is probably like part of an expanding flat correction, which means once this finishes this trend, I still think there's a very good likelihood it will make a much bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement out here. I still think we're already in a wave three. I still think this is a one of three, a two of three, and eventually it's going to go up and make a wave three, finish the wave three, that is, make a wave four and a wave five. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm really not convinced that this correction is over. I mean, we do have a Fibonacci bounce. We did have a very impulsive move up, but it never made an engulfing move. And I do think that it needs to take out the low way forward, so it actually put us down probably to about the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I still think there's a pretty good likelihood it's going to look something like that, which is going to be a one, a two, and then eventually go back up for that wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am very bearish overall for sure. I just don't really like the fact that it hasn't bounced off a fib level. Kind of makes you wonder if it's actually going to go up a little more and bounce off to 50% before it actually does continue the downtrend. But on shorter time frames, it definitely has made three waves up. It definitely has made the third lower high in a row. So I think there's probably a better chance that it will just keep on drifting down. I'm actually still short the pound dollar from last week, and I still expect it to at least go down beyond these lows like I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely did make one, two, three waves up. It did go past the 78%, but really it's just like a spike reversal type looking thing. So like I said, this is the third lower high in a row too. So it kind of looks to me like the end of an ABC correction, and it looks like now it should be continuing the downtrend. I am very bearish on the higher time frame, so I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts at the end of any pullbacks that I may see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.